Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is lilaayeee for those who are wondering or are new to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming an everyday makeup routine slash chit chat slash catching up with me. If you'd like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So this is take 2 of my everyday makeup routine. I had to re-record it because in the other video you can hear Miguel screaming in the background because he's playing Fortnite. So I already moisturized my face and I have a little bit of chapstick on. So what I usually do first with my eyebrows is I outline them. I use the NYX Microbrow pencil and I use the color Expresso. That's what that looks like. You can get it at Ulta or Target, I believe. I think Target sells NYX products as well. Also, sorry about the background. I did order a backdrop, but it's not supposed to be here until sometime next week, I believe. So for now, we're just gonna have to deal with the shoes in the background. The crooked picture frames because it fell sometime last week and I was just so lazy to fix it. So, you know, they're crooked. So I'm just gonna brush the hairs back a little. Also, I do have eyelash extensions on. I just got them done I think like 2 weeks ago. If y'all want to get eyelash extensions, I highly recommend them, especially on those days where y'all don't feel like getting ready and you just want to, you know, brush your hair, brush your teeth, throw on some clothes and go. I highly recommend them. The girl that I go to is Lash Me Brows. You can find her on Instagram. I'll also put her username in the description below so you guys can check her out. I love her work. She's super sweet, super nice. Go check her out. Highly recommend. I'm looking down because I have my mirror right here and my camera's up here. I don't want y'all to be looking or be blocked by the mirror, so that's why I'm looking down, just in case anyone was wondering. Now I'll be filling them in with Kabrow by Benefit. That's what that looks like. And I'm using the shade 5. Also, excuse my hair. I just woke up from a nap and I was trying to film the video. I'm not filming the video. Oh my gosh, I should go back to sleep. I was trying to edit the video that I filmed for you guys on yesterday, but whenever I realized all that screaming in the background and then you can hear my damn dogs playing with their toy, I was just like, no. So I just take a brush, just kind of fill them in. Now I don't really like a dramatic brow. I just kind of like a natural brow where you know it's filled in but it's not too filled in. Like I'm not trying to look like Mona Lisa. Now what I do next is I usually carve my brows, that way they look nice and clean. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in Fair. So what that looks like. I'm going to take my concealer brush and just dip it in there a little bit and start carving my brows. If you don't carve, I can't talk today either. Yesterday I couldn't talk, now today I can't talk. If you don't carve your brows, I highly recommend it. Oh my gosh, if it's not Fortnite, it's a damn movie. Okay, so if you don't usually carve your brows, I highly recommend them. Because right now my eyebrows are a little messy because I was just filling them in like crazy. But if you carve your brows and then blend it in, they look so much cleaner and it looks like you actually took your time to do your brows. That's my secret for you guys. So what's new? It's been like a year since I've been... Has it been a year? Yeah, it's been a year because I remember the last time I uploaded a video was with Chantel. Shout out to you, girl. I heard today was pretty tiring. And thanks for helping me clean my house too. Appreciate you, mommy. So last time I was filming on YouTube was about a year ago because it was... My last video was whenever... One of my last videos was whenever I was going to get a new car. By the way, I didn't get a new car because I fucked up my car. Don't ask me how. Actually, yeah, ask me how. So let me tell you guys. So, you know me, I'm on my way to work, driving out, about to go sell like 10 cars. And it was raining. And guys, if you know me, you know I already don't know how to drive. So it's raining, it's wet. I drive a Camaro, for those of you who don't know. So whenever you drive a sports car, they're more prone to hydroplane and slide in rain and snow and all that. So I hydroplaned on the freeway and I hit the wall, not once but twice, and my bumper was fucked. Now I'm gonna take a brush and just blend all that out. So yeah, my bumper was fucked, and thank God that was the only thing that happened. Thank God I'm okay. But yeah, ever since then I've been driving without a bumper. You know, everybody's been staring at me in my car. I even had a girl film my car. Like, she was Snapchatting. I think she was like in the car, like Snapchatting herself and like dancing, you know how we girls do. And then she switched the camera to my car and I was like, are you kidding me? Don't film my car. It's okay because I'm going to... It should be done by this week. I just got the bumpers and I took it to the body shop guy, so he's getting that painted for me, and it should be done sometime this upcoming week, hopefully, because I'm about tired of driving without a bumper. Like, I can't do it anymore. I just can't. I really can't. Excuse my hair. I just woke up from a nap. I'm not sure if I already mentioned that. Okay, so next I'm gonna prime my face. I'm going to be usually I use 2 primers, but today I'm just gonna use 1. But usually, if y'all are wondering, I use the POREfessional matte masque. What the hell? The POREfessional matte rescue. And then the second one that I use is Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. That's what that looks like. But today I'm just gonna be using the Benefit one. What I usually do is put about a dime size on my finger and just put it on my nose, kind of on my cheeks, on my chin, and in the middle of my forehead, because those are the areas that I usually get oily whenever I'm wearing makeup throughout the day. Now I'm going to put on foundation. What I usually use to put on my foundation is a beauty blender, and the foundation that I'm going to be using is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. That's what that looks like, and I'm using the shade Deauville. Also, I'll link everything that I used down below, just in case anybody wants to go out and grab the items that I used. I will do that for you. So what I did is I squirted a little on my hand, just like about that much, and then I'm just going to take it and just dab it all over my face. Anyways, oh yeah, in case anyone's wondering, I did get my lips done. For the girls that are worried or like wondering if you should get your lips done, I highly recommend it. I used to have somewhat of a bottom lip, but I didn't really have a top lip. But now, since I got them done, you see that top lip? She's there. But yeah, I highly recommend it. If you want to see a video on my experience with my lip fillers, let me know. Let me know in the comments below, and I would be more than happy to film that for you. But yeah, I really love my lip fillers. Like, I'm so glad. Like, it's the best decision I've ever made. Especially when you're a girl that likes to wear lipstick like me and you have no lips. Sometimes it's sad because you can barely put any product on them tortilla lips. But so what I'm doing is I'm just blending it all over my face. I'm not sure if y'all saw, but I had a few breakouts. This everyday makeup routine is definitely gonna hide all those breakouts. That way you're looking cute and you can't see those mountains on your face. It's that time of the month for me, so of course I'm gonna have some. I always get some. And whenever I break out, it's not like little pimples. These hoes are huge. They are big and red and juicy. So next I'll be using concealer. I'll be using the Tarte Shape Tape, the one that I use for my eyebrows. If you haven't used this concealer, I highly recommend it. I live by this concealer. Whenever you're using this concealer, try not to use a lot. what I have on right now might be a lot for some girls, but this is just enough for me. So I'm just gonna put it under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose. Yeah, try not to use a lot because it's a lot of product, girl, and it's thick too. Thick in a good way, you know. But yeah, it covers up exactly what it needs to cover up. I want to make all kinds of videos. I want to do like makeup, cooking, because a girl is learning how to cook. Ever since she moved in with her boyfriend, she needed to learn how to cook. But don't get me wrong, he makes some bomb ass milanesa and he makes some bomb ass enchiladas. Like, it's pretty good. But you know, it'd be nice to cook for your boyfriend too, so I'm learning. So yeah, I want to do makeup, I want to do cooking, I want to do challenges, I want to do random videos with like my friends and stuff, like mukbangs and you know, all that good stuff. So if y'all have any ideas for me, please feel free to comment them below. I will be reading everyone's comments, so please drop a comment down. Alright, so next what I'll be using to Alright, so next what I'll be using to set my concealer is this Airspun Loose Face Powder. You can get this anywhere. I think you can get it at like Walmart and Walgreens. You can get this at a drugstore, and I love this product because there's no oil under my eyes at all whenever I use it. And just take a beauty blender, tap it in there, and then just tap it on your face. And then I don't let it sit for that long. What I usually do is I take my powder brush and I just kind of take it off and just blend it all over my face, because I don't really like to use that much powder on my face either. Only when I'm oily, but right now I'm not that oily. Guys, you know what? It never fails for people to blow up my phone whenever I'm filming. Like yesterday whenever I was filming, I had so many notifications. Earlier I was taking a nap, woke up to nothing. Now that I'm filming, my phone is blowing up. I'm not sure if you can hear it vibrating. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on bronzer. What I usually do is I take the brush that it comes with. So I usually put them right here below my cheekbone. That way it makes it look more defined and it pops up more, and you know, you're going to have that flawless cheekbone. So just like that. And you're going to do the same exact thing to the other side. So next, I'm going to contour my nose. I'm going to be using the same bronzer, the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I'm going to take a small brush just like this. What I usually do is, let me get close up. I go right here and just work my way down. And then work my way up, kind of to the brow, not all the way. And just work my way down. Just kind of blend that out so there's no harsh lines. And that's it. And then you do the same exact thing to the other side. I'm going to be using, I know this isn't bronzer, but this is what I use for bronzer. I use the Studio Mac Fix powder in NW25. And then mixing that in there and just trying to blend all that out so it's a nice smooth bronze. So guys, I'm thinking about doing a giveaway for my first video. If you want me to do a giveaway, give this video a thumbs up. 100 likes, a giveaway will be posted in my next video. So I'm going to put it in the outer of my forehead and then on my jaw to define that. Hide that double chin. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that red beauty blender. I like this one because it has that line, that sharp edge at the bottom. Also, I got this from Morphe if anyone is wondering. So yeah, I use this for the sharp edge. What I usually do is I take my Airspun and dab it in there a little bit, and then I use this to clean up my bronzer on the bottom. So you just take that and put that underneath your bronzer so it cleans up and it'll look nice and neat. So for blush, what I usually use is I use the BECCA Jaclyn Hill palette. I use the shades Amaretto and Pamplemousse. So the shade Amaretto, I've hit pan, obviously. But I still try to get as much product as I can out of it because that's my favorite blush. So I'm going to take that Amaretto and I'm going to take a little bit of Pamplemousse just because it's too pink and I don't want to look too rosy in this look. Next, what I'm going to be doing is applying highlighter. My favorite highlighter right now is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy Highlighter. If you have not, you see that? Look at that. If you have not used this highlighter, I highly recommend it. I live by this highlighter. I'm not sure how you girls usually put on highlighter. What I usually do is I take my setting spray. Right now I'm using the Hangover 3-in-1 replenishing primer and setting spray. I usually take my setting spray, take my highlighter brush, and then watch me glow, bitch. Now you'll see the difference, because I don't know what I was doing before I knew this trick. Look at that. Look at that. I get compliments on my highlighter all the time. So I put it on my cheekbones, and I put it on the tip of my nose, and then I put it on the Cupid's bow, just like that. Now you can take off the powder on your contour. So just take your powder brush and just wipe off that excess. Next, what I'll be doing is putting on lipstick. Usually whenever I go with a natural look, I either do like a neutral liquid lipstick and I also add like a neutral gloss on top. The lipstick that I'm going to be using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stripped Liquid Lipstick. Now it's okay if you go over the line of your lips. What I usually do is I take my brush that I put on my concealer and just kind of go over that and just make it nice and neat. I'm going to go ahead and add some lip gloss over just because I'm feeling a little extra today. I'm going to be using the Glam Glow Pumprageous Lip Plumper Treatment, and this is the shade Casting Couch. You can get this at Sephora, that's where I got mine. For the girls that don't want to get your lips done but you want a little plump to your lip, I would highly recommend this. It does have a burning sensation, but that's what's helping your lips plump up just a bit. It's not going to give you a dramatic fake look, but it'll plump up your lips enough. So you are all finished. This is what the finished product looks like. If you'd like to see a giveaway in my next video, please remember 100 likes on this video gives a giveaway announcement on the next. Please subscribe to me. I am a new YouTuber and I am trying to build my channel, so please help me by subscribing. Also, if you'd like to know when my next video is up, please turn on that post notification, and once I upload that video you will be notified. Without further ado, that is all I have for you guys today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. And then storage.